Okay, family, today I'm working on the Williams legs. This is actually a desk where I'm laying out the welds now. I got a couple more welds to put on this one. Then we got the weld out the top, do some grinding and DAing of the welds and having everything lined out. That's the project we'll be working on today. I will be using this 180 prime weld. Great unit, fam, for the buck. Great bang for the buck. So for those who are trying to do their garage welding shops, their personal welding shops, this is a good unit. A good bang for the buck. I'm using 75-25 gas. Sure my gas is cut on. 75-25 gas and 030 wire. We're about to dive into some fabrication, fam. And really, like I say, these really doesn't matter because these just surface width. But you want them to be decent so that when you land the ball, you know what I mean, everything looks smooth. You don't want to have a whole lot of weld on there. You know what I'm saying? You have to turn it. I got to get enough to fit it. That's why I do a little bit, I'll stop regroup, but this is kind of long. I'll stop regroup. Thank you for that food there. Some of them things you can hit me with if they get too high in the real. You know. the average of it, I got it set for about 100 days. So it all depends on how fast you move. I didn't want to cut it down. If I cut it down, I can have it set for like 6 days. But then again, when I get ready to do something else, I have to set it. So I got it like on a good temperature where all I got to do is just get fast or go slow. You see what I'm saying? And I ain't got to move the temperature. But with this one, I'm just doing fast and it's still the same thing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta you know what I'm saying? Like, keep that funnel in front of you. And that's the main thing when you're doing this thing. You don't want to be funnel. That's what you don't want to do. You get where the wires and it's staying on the top of it. See how that was just, I kept it right on the top of it. And as long as you do that, it's fine. But then again, if it's too hot, you can't control it. You see what I'm saying? So I couldn't do it if it was too hot. I had to cut it down, especially on something thin like this. So you have to determine that. And that helps you do, you know, sit down and think, oh, okay, with this here, I can't run 20 volts on something I know I need to be running about 17. You know what I'm saying? Just this itself, like if I was welding this here, centerpiece, I cut them both ways. That way, when I'm welding, you can actually see the difference. If it's too hot, you can't really see you know what I'm saying? You can't really see the definition. How it's going, and the big boy feeling out, put it back up. That's all you gotta do. So don't never, go too much or panic. Once you see it ain't working for you, you in control all the time. Slow down and push it up, do it, and keep going. That's why I tell people all the time, you're in control all the time. It's your shit. If it ain't working for you, stop. Jump out of it. You're in control all the time. You know what I mean? Like, nah, you're gonna do what I want you to do. You know what I'm saying? Because it will, sometimes it is what it is. You see that chest enough, so when I get ready to grind it, you ain't really grinding. Too much of nothing. You know what I'm saying? And that's the main thing. You don't want to put too much of the work in yourself. Got dust heat everywhere. Like, I ain't putting all that well on. I gotta take it out. You know, I ain't gonna bring it in. I ain't trying to flaunt it. I want it to look good, but I ain't trying to, But they say I ain't trying to break the bank. I'm trying to make one. I'm gonna actually put another. You see how we got this long strip? There ain't no tank here. I'm gonna go on and put a tank here. That way, that heat, while I'm doing it, won't make it spray. Because that can happen if the tanks are too long. Normally, like I said, I just do it a couple years. Like you put too much heat on it, man, it'll do what it want to do. Damn. It's the same one. Let y'all see what I was doing. Going downhill on these, because we grind all of these off with a 40. So I don't use a grinding rock. I use a grinding pad of 40. So we use a 40 grit on taking the welds down, and then we even use these on the DA or these. So we use 60s or 120s, 80s, 60s, 40s, depends on what type of marks we're trying to leave on here. With this one, I believe this is going to get blackened. So we want to make sure all the major scratches are out of it. So we'll make sure that everything is smooth and looks smooth. But this is a nice process, not really hard. We actually built a jig to assemble these, so the process really ain't real complicated. But having a jig to build something like this makes it go so faster. I have the jig under here right now, and it makes the process so much easier when you fabricating and laying things out. So I would say this year, don't learn just how to weld. Learn how to be a fabricator. Learn how to read that tape measure. Learn how to lay out. Learn how to read drawings, prints. Learn how to use the cutting torch, the plasma torch. Learn fabrication. Learn how to use the tools. Learn how to use the clamps, the grinders, the DAs. Learn how to use these different things, because all of this is going to turn you into a great fabricator, which can later help you build your own independence. So, a lot of times people frown on fabrication because they say, I can't just make that big dollar. The fabrication shops ain't paying nothing. It all depends on what shop you're working for. But if you're a fabricator, you can do something for yourself. So always learn all you can and invest in yourself, so that way you can build your own signature product one day. This is a signature product. So you can build your own by investing in your skills and learning the whole process. I'm learning the whole process. And this year, that's what I want to introduce. Fab-Welding program. Teaching people how to MIG and TIG weld on stainless, aluminum, and carbon steel, making furniture and working with food grade products. Teaching people how to fabricate in a 6-week setting, family. I really think it's going to be a great beneficial program, because a lot of companies need fabricators. And I think that a fabricator demand isn't going anywhere. So for those who can combine welding with fabrication, it's a win-win, fam. It's a win-win. So I want to be able to help y'all learn the whole process. So make sure you subscribe, like, share the channel, let people know about your welding coach. If you have some ideas or some things you want me to show you or talk about, make sure you leave them in the comments, and we'll keep getting the hog on, fam. finished product. Hold on.